block kit includes longer bolt, longer column guard, longer guide post, extended guide side guard, 105-inch blade, and the riser block itself. The tools you'll need are at least a 10mm wrench, 5mm hex key, Phillips screwdriver, two 15/16 wrenches, and a 1 1/16 wrench.
Good morning. This morning we're going to show you how to install a riser block that we purchased from CS Machinery, and it's on a Ridgid 14002. Okay. First, we're going to unplug the machine. Very important. Okay. We're going to verify that we have unplugged the correct machine. Okay. Now, we're going to remove the switch by removing these two Phillips head screws, one on top, one on the bottom. Okay. There's one there. We're going to save that for later use to reattach. And we're going to remove the bottom one. Okay. Okay. We're going to save this screw for later use. And we're just going to move this off to the side as well. Okay. Next, we're going to open the door so that we can remove this upper guide assembly. Okay. We'll drop it down and pull this out of the way. And we're going to set it on our bench. Okay. Then, while I was over there, I should have picked up the other bar. We're going to remove this handle. Ah, my cameraman, he's so nice. Thank you. Okay. So to the side. And we're going to loosen this set screw right here. There's a detent ball inside of here. And what we want to do is we want to hold our hand up here when we pull out the old bar. The ball will drop in our hand. Then we'll remove the set screw, drop it in the floor, and push out the spring. We'll pick that up when we pause. And pause it. Okay, now that we've picked up our set screw out of the floor, we're going to install the new bar. The hole goes down. The slot goes in the back. We're going to put it in and drop it down until it touches the table. Then we're going to reinstall the ball. We're going to reinstall the spring. And we're going to reinstall the set screw. And we're going to just snug up our set screw. Okay. Then we're going to put our handle back in. Okay. Now we're going to remove the blade. We're going to pull out the pin, the table pin. We're going to remove the throat plate. We're going to loosen the blade. Open the bottom door. And we're going to remove the blade. Now we're going to fold the blade up. And we're going to just set it aside. Okay. Now, we're going to remove the guard, the blade guard, with these two screws. We're going to save those screws for the new piece. We're going to remove this and just set it aside. Okay. Now we can close the door. We're going to use two 15/16 wrenches. One at the bottom, one at the top, until this bolt is loose. Okay. Now notice that the reason why we put our guide bar down here is to keep it from falling over on us. Okay, now we can lift this up and remove it. Okay, just used up all my space. Now, if this is stuck on there, you can use a scraper or something to kind of like tap under there, get it off, but that probably won't be a problem. Okay, so